आज के इस लंबे सफ़र की शुरुआत होती है बेरीनाग से। The bags are packed and stacked up. Having our early morning breakfast at our own Mehraji's in Udiari. Wondering where we are up to? We're headed to Pindari Glacier in Bageshwar. और हाँ, कुछ दिनों पहले हम बेरीनाग में लमकेश्वर मंदिर भी हो आए थे। Here are some glimpses of the visit. Before the mandir, there is an old house of the British era, which adds on the beauty of the place. The structure, however, is a ruin now. Lamkeshwar is situated in the middle of a highly dense forest of Jhaltola, Gangolihat. It takes around 2 hours net, depending upon your fitness. यकीन मानिए बहुत पसीना बहाना पड़ेगा इस व्यू के लिए। At the root of the Mandir track, there is a lake formed by the administration to gain tourist attraction. Back to our journey to Pindari. This is the little scenic town called Bageshwar. At a distance of 2 hours from Berinag, the place is well known for its temples and Giroux, the river. We will now be heading towards Kapkot, but first let's have some local fish over here. कपकोट से कुछ 7-10 किलोमीटर आगे एक गांव पड़ता है, दुलुम, सरयू के बगल में बसा है। क्या खूबसूरत गांव है, आइए दिखाता हूँ। दुलुम से अगर कोई यह देख रहा है तो भाई क्या ही जगह है यार आपकी। सफ़र को आगे बढ़ाते हुए यह एरिया भी धारचूला की तरह आपदाग्रस्त है। एनडीआरएफ भी लगी हुई थी वहाँ। Sometimes I wonder what could have occurred to the people who have done this to their own land. मंजिल की ओर बढ़ते हुए हम पहुंच चुके थे विनायक। We found shepherds from the Pindari resting over there. उनके साथ उनका कुत्ता और डोके में उसके 4 बच्चे भी थे। ब्रिजेस की जगह लकड़ी की मोटी मोटी बल्लियां डाली हुई थी। उन्होंने बताया कि नदी उफान में है, as they were the first one in the season to return back from the glacier with their herd. So I guess we needed to postpone the plan instead of taking the risk to proceed. जानकारी लेने के बाद हम वहां से आगे आ गए। कुछ 20 मिनट्स बाद हमारी आज रात के लिए मंजिल आ गई थी। दिस इज विलेज धूर। The beautiful homestay that we lived in last night. The homestay belongs to Mr. Narendra, Narda as I call him. He has a few children. Among them is his very photogenic youngest son, Vijay. Like the others in the Pindar Valley, the family also relies upon the tourist and farming for their income. Today, we are going to Khati gaon. Narda and his brother-in-law Harish has also decided to give us a company. Before the departure, Harish invited me to his home in the morning and we carried along 2 kakadis from his farm along with pudina, salt from the grinding stone. Just pahadi things.
दो आता है क्या था पहले दो फिर सीधा खाती।
We reached Khadkia, the place where the motorable road ends and the very short hike of 5 kilometers to Khati gaon begins. Like every other Himalayan village, the mode of transportation for heavy stuff is done by mules. The hike is both up and downhill and the difficulty level is very easy. Khati serves as the starting point of the very famous Pindari, Kafni and Sundardunga glacier treks. Khati has a total population of 314 people and there are about 66 houses in the village, all painted in beautiful colors and concept by the Hans Foundation in collaboration with Project Fuel. In spite of high exposure to foreign tourists, Khati however has its own taboos prevailing in their society. One of the major being an issue regarding the women menstrual hygiene. ये चीज़ें तो तब तक ठीक नहीं होंगी जब तक हमारा समाज नहीं चाहेगा। इस व्लॉग के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में।
फोटो देखो
यार नहीं यार वीडियो में यार तुम खाली उसको नेट पे डाल दोगे क्या बड़ा यार।
नहीं डालेंगे ना। कहाँ रहते हो आप?
यही गांव कर्मी रहते हो।
अच्छा।